Ever wanted to quickly test an idea with a clip without the hassle of duplicating the entire project? Use this shortcut instead, Option Y. With the clip selected, press Option Y. It might not seem like anything has happened, but notice the name of the clip. It's a copy, and the spotlight icon indicates that it's part of a group with the original clip, which is called an audition. Now, you can make changes to the second clip, whether it's color grading, applying effects, or even experimenting with a shorter version. And the best part, you can easily switch between versions to see which one works best for your edit. See how simple that is? No more clutter, just multiple versions in one place. For more information, check out the additional options under Clip, Audition, or visit anawesomeguide.com for a deeper dive.